What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Dropping Gears. I'm here at Ostar Motorsports, and I'm here today to hang around and check out the shop, see what they all do, and also Rob's car is in there and it's getting worked on right now. So we're gonna hang around for the day, watch them finish the car, tune it, and then later on Rob's gonna come pick it up. Hopefully I'm able to stay around and check it out. So we'll see. It's going full send. Oh, no.
What happened?
Why does it say R? Are you in reverse?
Oh. Woo! Ready?
Man, this car moves. It does. It drives me insane. I saw that.
11.6 on the Dragon.
I saw it there when he ran 11.8. Yeah. I didn't see his second run that night because we left. But I saw his first run.
Yeah, later in the night is when he ran the 11.7. And then the last time I was watching 2
Oh damn, cut up.
We cut the front off the other day. Ricky did. And it's got a welded tubular front end on it. And then I have the motor over here. That's all the front end stuff right there.
You putting boost through it? Oh Jesus.
That's not it. I'll show you.
Oh man. Jesus.
Borg Warner 88.
This is a big boy.
That's 488, big one. Yeah, we just gotta finish up a few things on it and be good.
What's your plans for the car?
I'm gonna do Rocky Mountain Race Week. It's one of the things.
Okay.
That's the first thing. Rocky Mountain Race Week. After that, it's gonna be a no prep / small tire car. So 8th mile. I'm just gonna go Rocky Mountain Race Week, race a couple quarter mile here and there. Might do drag week another year. So Rocky Mountain Race Week 1 year, drag week another year. Gonna do that.
But it's 8th mile, you said?
Yes, I'm gonna do after. I mean, the only time it's gonna probably see quarter miles for drag week and for Rocky Mountain Race Week and testing.
So it'll be more set up for 8 mile.
For 8 mile, yeah. So
no catching up.
Yep. Hey, get you off the lighter. Huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn. This is beautiful, man. Oh. This makes more sense. I was looking, I was like, damn, it's like that is a sleeper car.
Nah. This was the first Evo into the United States to hit 7s.
7 seconds?
Yeah, 777.
Nice. It's gotta be fucking mean. Jesus Christ. That versus that right there. Oh yeah. Going back together. It's a nice fit. Instead of going 2 here, I went 1. And splits here. All back. Deleted the cats here. So I have these little 2 ones right here. And then the big ass suitcase. Next upgrade, Rob. It's pipe right here. Skinny. Need more big.
Yep. Not so that's not.
Ooh, look at that difference. This is huge. Jesus. Oh yeah. That's crazy. Here's a comparison of stock intake versus the APR intake. It's much nicer, but it's also like bigger. Around, you can see the difference here versus here. And it'll look nice under the hood. Yeah, it is.
Exactly, you're going on vacation.
Yeah.
Why not a trip?
Nice. APR.
Javi has that problem.
He's like, you guys don't know how to control yourself. It's all done, buttoned up. Gonna put the tune in it. So it's APR inlet, APR elbow down there. You saw the difference with the two, both versus stock. And you have Iroz, right? Iroz downpipe and Iroz mid pipe, and then the APR intercooler down there.
I like so,
no, yeah, it looks like the stock one. I was telling them, I was like, if you look from far, it just looks stock.
I mean, you can modify it later on if you want and remove the center of the crash bar.
The stance. Yeah.
Wednesday.
Oh, that's what you said you were going to buy wheels right now?
Yeah.
You did it here with them?
Yeah.
Look at the stands. HR? H&R?
H&R.
H&R springs. Look at the stands. What was the drop?
1 inch.
1 inch? Yeah, that's good enough. It is fancy stuff.
Alright.
Is it safe looking?
Yeah.
gonna say, you know, even if you don't have a helmet, they rent them there.
I'm not trying to rent no helmets with no coronavirus going on.
I wore one of them helmets. I wore one of them helmets one, and I was like, "Fuck this, never again." But I really wanted to race that day.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
So I keep my helmet like here. I don't know if yours has it, but it probably does. Yeah. So this is where I keep my helmet. Yeah, right here, hanging right there all the time. So it's always hanging right there all the time.
It's going there now.
Literally. 2 helmets. Yeah, right there. You have one there.
Sounds good. How you hear it? It's sender time. Sender time. Sender time. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm not holding on to anything. Man, that third gear is awesome.
Yeah, I was gonna say, up top it wakes up a lot.
Oh yeah. It doesn't feel very low though.
Oh yeah.
Bop, bop.
Yeah, you like that, huh?
Gunshot. Oh. Woo! Ready?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, that feels so good right there.
How can I get one of these for my car? I need to launch it in my fucking car.
Let's see.
Oh shit. Oh, that's badass. That's badass.
Alright.
God damn.
Oh, I'm so happy right now.
Dude, that's badass.
Wanna go for a ride?
That's awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, that launch is stupid. Like I've never been on it
For a 93 file, it feels real nice for a 93 file. We gotta do that. We gotta get the injector to put you on the next file though.
You happy now, fucker?
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Try the upswing.
The upswings definitely feels hard.
What is that?
So I've been holding it at there and then letting it go at 3500 and it does that roll thing. But if you let it go up to the 3500 and then just let go, it just fucking goes.
As it's going up, like
Yeah,
that.
it's
No lag.
yeah. Well, once it hits the first rev limiter. At
Basically, it doesn't hit the rev limit from the launch control,
So
and the throttle body
transmission
doesn't
doesn't-
close and then
Close
reopen.
open, so
It basically is
it's
open
open the
all
whole
the
time.
way on the upswing.
That was much better.
So it's like instant.
Oh, you like it?
Oh yeah.
I heard you laughing.
Yeah.
There you have it. That's the end of it. So, Ostar Motorsports, my car. Rob car's done. Ready to go. Stage 2, 93. It was fun. It's fun. You happy, Rob?
Oh yeah, I'm very happy right now.
Let's see what we get out of today, and we'll show you guys later, right? Peace. So I just got back to the house from being an All-Star all day, and it was a good time. It was a good time. Thanks to Fernando, Jay, Ian, Matt, and Ricardo, and some of the other guys. I didn't get everybody's name, but most of those guys. Thanks for letting me go in the shop, showing me around the shop, let me hang out while you guys work down on Rob's car. I had fun. Thanks for having me. Anytime you guys got any other projects or anything, let me know. Anybody that wants work done to their car, you want to go fast, hit them up. Ostar Motorsports, good peeps, a lot of projects in there, and they can fab a whole bunch of stuff, so hit them up. All right, peace.